In this video, I'm going to be updating you on the wear of the KO3s after 20,379 miles. We have the driver's side front, and I'm gonna pull this in the middle of the tread block. So we are at 13 30 seconds. These tires came with 16 30 seconds. Yeah, this is like 13. There you go, 13 30 seconds. Man, I don't know what people do to their poor tires. I mean, these are almost wearing at the same rate as my Michelin Defenders. I mean, are y'all just not rotating your tires or what's going on? All right, now we have the driver's side rear. This is between 14 and 13. Yeah, I mean, rear's 14 30 seconds. I mean, these, to be fair, I just rotated them, so these were on the front. Yeah, that's still 13 30 seconds. All right, and here we have the passenger side rear. Pull off the front here. That is 14 30 seconds. And if we pull closer to the edge, it is still 13 30 seconds. So, and lastly, we have the front passenger side, and we are going to pull, I would hazard a bet, 14 30 seconds. I get a lot of people that come on the channel and they just spray random opinions about things without, one, having a channel, or two, being willing to provide any evidence about their claims. And this is, you know, a pretty good illustration of just why you shouldn't listen to people online, because these are tires, you know, that I've heard people say, oh, I only got 20,000 out of that. And it's like, well, one, you're probably not rotating them. Two, your alignment probably sucks. And three, you know, you could just be beating on them and doing burnouts, right? Like, I'm driving a lot of highway, but I have driven a little bit off-road, you know, I'm not, you know, doing burnouts everywhere, but I'm just rotating them every 5,000 miles. I hope you found this helpful. This is the wear I'm getting out of these. I do have one of my wheels is a little bent. It's been taking a lot of weight, so I might need to get new wheels soon. But I mean, I'm gonna keep these tires and run them until they're down at like 3 or 4 30 seconds. And I mean, I got a long way to go to get there if that was 20,000 miles. So we will see. I'll wait maybe until like 40 or 50,000 and then do another update, because I'm curious, you know, maybe they'll get to a certain point, they'll start to wear faster. Totally valid, you know what I mean? Could be that maybe it's all downhill from here, I don't know, but as far as I'm concerned, these are really solid and the wear is excellent for a tire that everyone says is soft. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and check out the merch store that I set up. I have t-shirts, I have Denko brake cleaner, and I have the little Petcock flat wrench for draining and filling your coolant. All of those proceeds I put towards doing dyno tests and oil testing. Thanks for watching. Cheers.